Good evening, Mosin. My name is Derek. Here to show you my progress through Spring 5. My first user story is to see the object and the parameter that the function is using. As a user, I would like the in-game screen to display the object that the function is using. That way, I will know that the function is doing work on an object. This user story took a lot of time. At first, I was taking an approach that later on, after testing, I noticed that it wasn't gonna work. The second user story is to add a button that will begin the animation. As a user, I would like to click on a button so that the functions such as fry or boil can take place. Also, part of the Spring 5 was animations, but animations I wasn't able to complete. Here's my timesheet. As I said earlier, I started working on a hidden script. After testing, I noticed that I had to split it up, and I created a new script called Stove Objects. And I finished the sprint by adding the buttons. For this sprint, I will finish the animations and I will work on some output objects. Here's the use case diagram for the function. Here are the use case and sequence diagrams. Also a class diagram and some pictures and some screenshots that describe what is done. As you can see, there's a cheese on top of the pen, so the text displays fried cheese. And as you can see here, the cheese is no longer in the pan, so it displays fried to object to cook. Also in this screenshot, you can see how the button is active even though there's no object on the pen. However, in the button document, you can see how if there's nothing on the stove, nothing will display. Currently, the button is clickable and it does change the environment. However, I would like for it to do some kind of animation so that it seems as though the user was actually cooking. That's one of my user stories for Sprint 6, and that's it for my presentation. Thank you, Mosin.